Here we discuss two important problems from error. Okay, and the first one is given u, this is equal to x cube into y to the power 3 by 2. If x0, y0 be the approximate value of xy respectively, and delta x0, delta y0 are the absolute error in them, determine the relative error. Okay, here it is given that for the first problem it is given that delta x0, this is equal to x minus x0, because this is the approximate value and this is the true value. Okay, similarly delta y0, this is equal to y minus y0. Right, now we take logarithm on both sides of u, that is log u, this is equal to 3 log x plus 3 by 2 into log y. Now we know that this is delta u by u, this is equal to 3 into delta x by x plus 3 by 2 into delta y by y. Okay, now we have to find the relative error. Okay, so we get the relative error, this is delta u by u, this is given by relative error of u, er. The maximum value of this is 3 into delta x by x plus 3 by 2 into delta y by y. Okay, and we have to find the relative error at the point x0, y0. So relative error er at the point x0, y0, this maximum value is, this is given by 3 into delta x0 by x0 plus 3 by 2 into delta y0 by y0. Okay, this is the answer of the first problem. Now for the second problem, and the second problem is obtain the relative error in u. U is given by alpha into x1 to the power m1, x2 to the power m2, xn to the power mn in terms of relative error of x1, x2, xn. Okay, now we first let the relative error of x1, x2, xn. This is given by er x1. This means delta x1 by x1. This is the absolute error of x1 and this is the true value. And similarly we write here er xn. This is given by delta xn by xn. Right, now we take logarithm on both sides of this, we get log u, this is equal to log alpha plus m1 into log of x1 to mn into log of xn. Now we get delta u by u, this is equal to 0 for this term, because delta alpha is 0, alpha is constant, and for this term m1 into delta x1 by x1 to mn into delta xn by xn. Now relative error of u, this is given by delta u by u, this mod, and this is less equal to m1 into delta x1 by x1 plus mn into delta xn by xn. So we get relative error of u less equal to m1 into relative error of x1, this is the er x1 plus m2 into er x2 to show on mn into er xn. Okay, so this is the relative error and this maximum value is this, and in terms of relative error of x1, x2, xn, and this is the answer of the second problem. Okay, very simple two problem of error, but both are important. Thank you for watching.